Alright, what's going on, guys? Came out here, I want to do a quick video because someone asked me on how to jump logs. So, this is going to be an explanation on how to jump logs, not go over. If you want to give a full, detailed explanation on how to go over these things, I can do that to my best ability. I'm not an advanced rider, but I'm okay, I like to say. I like to think. Not like to say, I like to think. So, but the dude has specifically said these things right here. So these are nice because they're small. So it almost acts like a kicker more than an actual log. Now, I'm only a few inches off the ground, but yeah, I'm getting some air. So before you even start this, you gotta go over a log like this. My front end is staying up the whole time. It's up just a little, but it's not touching the ground. So that's the first step, which is, I'm slightly leaned back. Something really important, keep your knees locked. Going over something like that, do something like this, a double blip, for example, knees forward. When I'm up, going over the obstacle, my knees are locked. The only time my knees go forward is for that compression. Whoops. So, it's the only time those knees go forward. So make sure you keep your knees locked. Now go with it. There you go, we'll have a little throttle. Something like that. We'll clutch up. That's it, there's a little bend in the knees. Or a lot. Little bend in the knees, throttle, forward, back, throttle. And it's fast, it is fast. Forward, back, throttle. But it's just, I can't really describe it. It's just weird. But if you can do it, just like that, go over it, and keep your front end up, that's the start. And it's just the same thing, but going faster. Dadgum. Get the brakes inside. That's nice. You can get a little air off with this kicker, but these are about as big as you can get when you come to jumping. You're more something like this. You're just going up instead of out. So something like this, and hold on, let me go something else. Something like this. This is kind of a perfect size, but as you can see, there's some dirt, so there's not any undercut. So this, that's neutral. That's what that's for, but it's kind of hard to actually jump a log because if it has undercut, you're kind of screwed. But those ones that I showed down up there at the house, You can do that because it's so small, it doesn't really have an undercut, so you're fine. But I'll also explain something else. Something like this. An actual log jump, something you'd see in Neurocross or something like that. Right? And it's basically the same thing. You can't jump it like a regular jump, because if you do, you're just gonna, you got a kick at the top. I'm also kind of behind the bike. Just regular neutral position, balls of your feet. You want your helmet. You know, the first thing you look down, you can see this right here. Right in front of your headlight. That's where your eyes should be when you look down in a normal position. But for something like this, I'm a little lean back because I don't want to have my front end do this. A little lean back. For something like this, an actual jump, okay, I'm leaning forward. Same purpose here. A little lean back. Just a little compression, just a lot in the front end. Just a little. And nice smooth flip throttle. I can do a more detailed video of this, like third person and all that stuff, but let me go back. But anyways, the first thing is just, yeah, get that front end to stay over the whole time. That front end to touch. And I'm off the throttle when my back tire hits the bicycle. Like a double wood. Same thing for just a jump. Just a little bit of compression. Back, make sure you grip with your legs so you don't go flying. Just a little blip. This is it, basically slowed down. I'm going to try to go even slower. Little compression. I don't know if you can see my knees while I look down, but I'm trying to show you just what I'm doing. When I mean lock the knees too, don't like, I'm not talking about just like trying to hyperextend, just take your knees out, just comfortably just, but over time, if you get that down, which that's the basis of it, having at least your front stay up the whole time through the obstacle, really good. Slowly over time, you just speed that up. faster I'm getting, the more I'm leaning back as well. Counteract the force. Pretty long in the back tire. So I don't go over. This first time when I actually did that fast, like there a few minutes ago, my front hit the ground first. Don't want that to happen. I mean, it's hard to explain because I'm not used to teaching. I mean, I would definitely do it if y'all want me to teach you something. I'll try my best. But, this is something new, especially teaching, so maybe that's enough information for you to get doing it. Let me know if you want to know anything more. Yeah, I hope this helped a little bit, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.